Okay, so here's the deal. I had a flat tire yesterday. It actually wasn't flat. There was a nail enlarged in the tire. It was close to the wall, so that means they couldn't save the tire, and they're gonna get me a brand new one. So they'll be back. I'm waiting on them. And remember, keep in mind, this is my first time ever using Tesla roadside assistance. So everything was done through the app. He put on a spare tire for now, so I was able to drive around. And he's scheduled to come back a little bit later on today with, unfortunately, I need a brand spanking new tire. So, waiting for him now. He's gonna pop it on, take it off. It was a pretty seamless event. So, there you have it. Hey Jacob, how you doing? All right, doing all right today, man? All right, good. Okay, good, good. All right.
All right, let's get this back on.
Okay, we got.
I just while I was waiting for you, I just finished up the paperwork, so
Okay.
we're all good to go. Did you want me to just run through as your morning bit?
That pretty good, pretty good.
Yeah.
So what are we gonna do today?
This we're gonna just remove the loaner
Okay.
and then put your fresh tire on.
All right, good.
That's about it.
Okay, that's it.
Quick
All
and
right.
simple, just like yesterday. It's all set to go now.
Okay, good. Yesterday went very smooth. And that's the brand new one.
Yep, that's
All right.
the new one right there. You can
Okay.
see
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
good tread on there.
Okay, good,
Do you mind if
good.
I crack the door again?
Sure, yep, do your thing.
Perfect.
Oh, that's right. And you have this.
Oh yeah, we'll grab that.
Yeah, we'll grab this. So good, Jacob is taking the loaner off, putting the new one on, and we're gonna be good to go. All right. And you said you did all the balancing and everything right in the vehicle, right in your Tesla.
Yeah, I actually did all the balancing. Normally I would do it in the van.
Okay.
Like I said, doing some upgrading on the equipment in there right now. So I did this, brought it back to the service center,
Okay.
which is why I'm out at the loaner in the first place.
Gotcha.
But typically I would just jack the vehicle up, take this, change it out there, and then put it back on all at the same time without having to make multiple trips. So
Okay.
once we're back up and running again, and we've got the new parts,
Right.
the new equipment, then
Okay.
we'll be back to doing that.
Okay, got you. All right, it looks like we are all done. That probably took less than probably 5 minutes to put that on
Yeah,
there.
very, very quick. So, yeah, all good to go. And
Okay.
then just give it a minute for the tire pressure warning indicator
Okay.
to recalibrate. Like I said, now that the one's on there all ready to go, the car may have not picked up that it's been in the range yet. So on your next drive, it'll wake everything back up, and then it'll all reprogram itself.
Okay.
So you'll get all those sensors, they'll all bind back to the
Okay.
dash, and they'll show all the numbers on your next drive.
Sounds good, sounds good.
Unless it does it early.
Unless it does, yeah,
You
really.
just do it early.
Okay. And I'm just gonna take a look and see what the
Yeah,
vehicle.
these
man.
are all my
Oh my
tires, and I've got loaner wheels. This one's going back to a customer today, just
Huh.
like you.
Yeah.
This one I just got from somebody. You can see it's
Wow. Woo.
more. And yeah, all kinds of
Okay.
good stuff. So
Boy, this truck is awesome, man.
yeah, it's pretty cool.
Okay. Well, it was a great experience. I'm gonna. All righty. Well, thank you, Jacob. Now it's time for the payment.
Yeah.
Okay. Look at our invoice for the vehicle. I mean, excuse me, for the tire. So $412.
Yep.
And that's what it cost. All right. That's it then. Okay, well, everything is done. I have a brand new tire. I definitely did not expect to pay $400 for a brand new tire. However, it's fixed, it's done. The good news is that I did everything right through the app. I didn't have to talk to anybody. I didn't have to call anybody. Jacob, thank you very much. He did an excellent job. He called me and said he was 45 minutes away. Then he texted me, said he was 45 minutes away. He called me. and he was right out here, as you can see. He was here probably about maybe 10 or 15 minutes. The first time he just took the tire off, gave me a spare. Then he came back with a brand new tire. He balanced it and everything on the truck, as you can see. So my kudos to him. Thank you, Jacob, at Tesla. And anyway, please like and subscribe. That whole experience I thought was very well done. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.